once again, I'm back. All right. Yeah. I got a bunch of different drills and impacts on my truck. Why so many? Shouldn't I have just one brand? How many of you have just one brand? Do you have to? I think if you're a Milwaukee guy, the tendency is to have every single thing they have. I work with people who, if there was Milwaukee deodorant, if they had a Milwaukee toothbrush, they would have it. But I think DeWalt people are more free thinkers. We're gonna have a variety of different things, and that's okay. It's quite all right. That's just fact, okay? Do you only have one brand? Do you use a bunch of different brands? What are you using? Let's talk about it. Let's have a dialogue, huh? Yeah, pros and cons, brand loyalty. I think it's nice to have all of one thing, but some things I have are Makita and I love them. So it's gonna be hard to go specifically all one thing for me. Although if I had to pick one, it would not be Makita because the boxes that they have don't work for me. The DeWalt T-Stack boxes do. So if I had to go all one brand, if I had to today, DeWalt it is for me. You know, that's just a fact. Whatever, if it just feels right, isn't that good enough? That's what she said. Wow. Basically, we're like, when you're talking cars, okay? You can love a Corvette, but what if you prefer a Dodge truck? Is that so wrong if you want a truck too and it's not a Chevy product? No, not at all. You know, my reciprocating saw, Makita. My vacuum, Makita. My favorite drill, DeWalt. My toolbox is DeWalt. You know, my vacuums, my grinder, my multi-tool, my jigsaw, my circ saw, all that stuff, Makita. It's fine to do a little of both. That's what I'm talking about right there. So this is basically a love of tools and you know, T-Stack boxes. And they're great. So there you go. I can make a video out of this because why not? What am I gonna do? Lose more subscribers? Oh, the water heater kicked on in my garage. This is where I have to be. So that must be time for me to go. So stop watching. Bye.